So, Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration, we have continued our checks on the sale of cashew on the beach belt. This is in view of the several complaints that we've been receiving in the past, and this is the consecutive fourth check that we've carried out. Last few weeks, we had cracked down on some major suppliers who are getting this substandard stock. Nevertheless, we have still found few more shops that are still engaged in this malpractice of mixing good cashew and substandard cashew. And today, 3 shops here in Calangute have been checked, and these 3 shops we have found large quantity of such packets that are being sold. We are booking a case against these food business operators, and they will be closed and further inquiry will be carried out. So also some expired items have also been found. We would appeal to the food business operators engaged in cashew business before the tourist season not to engage in such malpractice, because this brings a very bad name for our state, and also it is unsafe to sell such cashew nuts. Our checks will continue, and we will ensure that in the next few weeks that 100% these shops stop such malpractice and good food items and good cashew nuts are being sold to the tourists as well as the local consumers here. Yet another fraud that we've come across today, and as you see this packet, the weight that is mentioned here is 250 grams. So if you weigh this should be 250 grams on a weighing scale. This is a weighing scale that is being used by them, and we will put this packet on the weighing scale. And the weighing scale will show 370 grams. So this is an excess of almost 100 grams. So they are also misleading consumers on the weight. So much so that you can see that an excess of 100 grams is shown on this packet of 250 grams.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.